quick one. This is the jet bridge. Wow. JC wings. Wow. So this is the new one. Comes with little carts instead of cones. This is the new clear one. Most of them are blue. I paid a lot for this, but that's okay. I wanted the clear one. Air conditioning unit. That's crazy. I think I would have liked the cones better. That's okay. Twists, position, extends. Stairs rotate. That's pretty cool. Oh. More expansion. And then there. This thing extends and retracts to the height you so desire. I'm only going to use one of these for my display because I only really have room for one. But so here's the different gate fixtures. And I don't know which one is which. Right now I have a 777 on display. So we're going to see what fits. Very cool though. Happy with it. So let's see how it goes together. rotates. Let's see how it sits. Don't know how those stand up, but and it extends. Yeah, very cool. Let's go get it set up. All right, so excuse me, I know it's wrong. I also have to go to work, hence being dressed up. Here it is. Little fire extinguisher, whatever that is. Yeah, like I said, I know it's wrong. We're just pretending that's the airport because I want to display the airplane. But you just saw this in a video recently. Still here, still the same. JC Wings 1200 jet bridge. Very cool. Very cool. I like it. Top down view. These are the Gemini vehicles. And I also have the Delta vehicles for when I display the Delta models. So yeah, very cool. I think I'm gonna buy the blue one too for 23 bucks from China, just to have it and to have the little cones it comes with. I want to put the little cones in front of the engines. But JC Wings 1200 scale, new clear style jet bridge. Someday I'll get you a better view of it. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.